This is Zhiyun Tech.
SMOOTH Q is Zhiyun's new generation of smartphone gimbal. It applies special polymer compound material, weighing only 450 grams. SMOOTH Q is more stylish, flashy, and colorful, offering more choices for customers. Customers can choose anyone as they like, to match with their own personalities. SMOOTH Q is the first gimbal which can charge smartphones. With a built-in battery, can last for 12 hours continuously. It adopts the 5th Zhiyun algorithm system with high accuracy and response speed. It is compatible with add-on accessories like lens, soft light, and microphone in order to create better footage. Combined with multifunctional app Zhiyun Play, we can manually control the focus, which literally breaks through the limitation of mobile filming and becomes the replacement of professional cameras, making fabulous movies become a piece of cake now. First of all, put one side of the phone into the clip. After that, move the bottom side of the phone close to the motor. Adjust the balance of the phone and loosen the screw on the electronic arm. Stretch the electronic arm to find a balancing point. Then tighten the screw after balancing. The special design of flexible axis enables one-step balancing without the need of adding counterweight. First step is to loosen the screw on the back of the clamp. Rotate the clamp 90 degrees. Then screw it up. Put the phone into the middle of the clamp and adjust the balance in the same way. Long press the power button for 3 seconds to start the gimbal. Then you can check the power information via the blue indicator on the joystick. Long press the power switch in order to turn it off. SMOOTH Q supports 12 hours working time. It can not only satisfy your needs of whole day shooting, but also provide power supply for your smartphone at the same time. Connect the charging cable of smartphone to the USB interface of the gimbal, and connect the other side to your phone. Then your phone is under charging mode. When your gimbal is going to run out of electricity, you can charge the gimbal by external power source, like portable power supply or computer. You can use the gimbal while charging. No need to take out the batteries from the gimbal. Pull one side of the clip and take out the phone. Loosen the screw on the electronic arm and then push the electronic arm back. And then tighten the screw. After the gimbal is powered on, the default mode is pan following mode. Under this mode, the pitch and roll axes are locked. Slide the joystick up and down to adjust the pitch angle of the smartphone. With single press on mode button on the pan following mode, the gimbal will switch to locking mode. In this mode, the pan axis, pitch axis, and roll axis are all locked. Slide the joystick to adjust the pitch and pan angles of the smartphone. Double press the mode button on the pan following mode or locking mode. The gimbal will switch to pan and tilt following mode. Under this mode, slide the joystick left or right to adjust the rolling angle of the smartphone. With Zhiyun Play app, turn on Bluetooth when the power of gimbal is on. Click Zhiyun Play app to connect the device. You can enter video mode after connecting the app. Slide the joystick up or down to zoom in or out to create scenes with different depth. No matter you want cool or fresh style, SMOOTH Q will make it come true with the help of Zhiyun Play app. You can choose photographic or video mode by a quick click on the power button. To draw out the object you want to shoot on the screen, then the camera will follow your shooting object automatically, no matter what angle you are staying. When you want to shoot with large format, the panorama function will give you the experience of large format pictures in a minute. After setting the parameters, enter time-lapse shooting mode. You can enjoy the brilliant scenarios that you have never seen with naked eyes. Choose slow motion when you want to shoot objects at high speed. Then you are able to see clearly the path of slowly moving objects. Take your smartphone and start off right now with SMOOTH Q.
This is Zhiyun Tech. Thanks for watching us. If you like it, please help us push it up. Any suggestion, please comment us below. For more brilliant Zhiyun videos, welcome to subscribe us.